Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Brett here. Hey, wanted to reach out with our weekly update to all of our pre-approved clients. So 10 days into the new year and significant changes, in comparison to last 4 or 5 months. On one front, of course, I know I've talked about this, rates are down. So definitely an improvement in rates from 3, 4 months ago. But the other piece is buyer confidence and buyer appetite. So again, things were a little bit slower. You saw listings sit on the market for a while, not a lot of buyer activity. Big difference here in just the first week and a half. So most agents I've talked to have seen multiple offers on a lot of their listings. They've seen a lot more traffic at open houses. So that's great news in one sense. Now, we never want to see too much competition, of course, for a buyer, but at some point, that's going to entice sellers to list, meaning will be a lot more inventory for us. So it's kind of chicken and the egg in a sense of we got to get buyer appetite up. We got to get those sellers confident, and therefore they'll list. So we will see a lot more listings coming in the next 2 months for us, which is great news. Now, as far as anything we're looking at there, I do think this year is going to continue to get more and more competitive as more buyers enter. So I think sooner than later is better to start watching the market. But remember, we have some awesome tactics to help you in a competitive market. So do not feel discouraged. We have, of course, everything fully underwritten for you guys up front, which is a big difference in seller confidence. Number two, we have the ability with our earnest money protection program to go in there and release a portion of earnest money non-refundable, which is a huge advantage as a buyer. We can close loans very quickly, 2 weeks or less. Then we even have our same as cash program. So there's a lot of cool ways we can help out in a competitive market, but I'm excited to see the activity pick up. That's going to drive more and more sellers to list and give a lot more options for our buyers. Now, if it's been a bit since we've updated the approval, I think it'd be a great point to reach out. We can update it, let you know how the new numbers look with current rates, but most importantly, get you in the best position possible. So if we do find a home we like, we can make the most competitive offer as we can. So all in all, great news. As always, any questions, scenarios, please feel free to reach out. And I hope everyone has a great rest of the week here. Bye.